Hey YouTube, what's going on? Ange here again, and as you can see, got the Kraton 4S out again. But if you can see something a little bit different, you let me know, because those tires are absolutely huge. Look at the offset on them. They are just nuts. I don't know how it's going to go. I reckon I'm going to break something for sure, or something's going to fall apart, but even my steering servo might fail. So just a bit of a muck around on this one. As you can see, I've just gone a little bit stupid and put these oversized big wheels on them. Not really designed for it, but if you look at it now, it's literally a complete square. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Just running it on 4S. Everything else is stock standard, and this also does have the center differential in it that I installed. And Saul's out there with his 4S Mojave. He was going to run it on 6S, but he's also doing 4S. Going to go easy for now, because I don't know what these tires are capable of, or if they're going to fall apart or anything. I just got given these as a gift, so when I purchased another car. So yeah, I'm going to see how we go. It's going to be hard to steer, all right? Big wide turn. It's like a lowered monster truck. Whoa. I've got to make sure where you are too. I don't want to knock you out.
Well, you know me, my gentle is silly.
Oh. Looks awesome though.
Wow, it's so funny.
Gonna kill myself. Tires have already come off the front, so I haven't glued them. Let's see if I can get that back on. Oh. See if I can squeeze that over. I'm gonna have to glue these tires. I haven't realized I never glued them. Oh, you're rubbing again?
I don't know what on.
Oh, gotta hit those brakes too hard, just end up rolling up the corner. So far so good. No damage, but except for the tires coming off the beads. Definitely got the power. Oh, jeez. Oh, right on the slab. Oh. So far so good. It's going all right. It's rough. I've got to be careful. I'm getting a lot more power sending through the front wheels. Oh, this thing's just nuts. Kraton tough. Haven't done any damage yet, except my rear wing. What have I done to the rear wing? I think I broke it. Oh no, it's just. Oh nah, that's from an old wound. Yeah, nah, because I never replaced the wing from the first time it broke. Just trying to hold it all in with nuts and bolts. Not worried about that. We backflip it with these tyres. Nailed it. Nice, so much more easier. Oh, low voltage cutoff. That's it, I'm done. All right, let's walk this back to the car. Both front tyres have lost the they're debeaded. I think it's just transferring more power to the front.
Yeah, you got differential in it now, don't you?
I've got the differential now, yeah.
What weight oil? 500,000?
I've got 500,000, yeah.
Oh, well, it shouldn't really be transferred too much.
Yeah, but that's what I thought. I thought it would balance out, but I also got to see, I do have a thicker oil in the front. I think I'm running 100,000 in the front.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And 80 in the back.
Yeah.
So that's where my imbalance is.
Yeah.
But obviously it's with these tyres. So
Yeah, it might just be the tyres.
could be the tyres, mate. They're massive.
Yeah.
So yeah. Apart from that, oh man, it's hot now.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, look at that, guys. Happy with that. Look, they're not the ideal tyres, but today was just a bit of a muck around.
Oh yeah.
To see what it would do, and
Good experiment.
Yeah, good experiment. I will take it out again, but I will put some nice Gorilla Grip glue on both of the front tyres there, and have a play with the differential oils in the front and rear. See if I can get a bit more balance out of it, and fix this front wing as well, the rear wing as well. Sorry, and probably will need a basher body, because that's pulled through. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thanks to Saul for coming out with me. Good catch up again. Beautiful day, and yeah, a little bit of fun with the cars out again. So yeah, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again. Take care. I'm happy with that. I am happy.